Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Lovely Car Drivers. So last week I was telling you about that I won something, and it's the day now I'm going to get it. So I will show you what I've won from Instagram.
Alright, first of all, I'd like to thank everybody for joining in on our JR Wheels giveaway. As you can see, we have a bucket full of papers that we have been folding up all morning with all your names on it. So without further ado, I'll draw a winner of a brand new set JR Wheels. Drum roll please. Let's see who it is. CTR Fk8 Peter. Peter, congratulations on your brand new set of JR Wheels.
So as you can see, guys, I won a set of wheels on Instagram, and I'm going to get it today. But I have to drive to Holland for it. For me, it's 2.5 hours. It's 200 kilometers, so it will be a long trip. Well, you will see me there in 1 second. I have to do it in 2 hours. So guys, we have arrived. We are in Holland. Now we have just to wait. You see my car is still there. I'm an hour too early, but okay, we are here. So next is new shoes on the car. I like it. So guys, these are the new wheels. So guys, I'm back home. It was a long day, a long trip, but results are very nice. Very happy also. I want to thank FullCarTuning again for this opportunity to giveaways, and I will put some links below so you can see the site, see their Instagram, and maybe if they're going to do a giveaway again, you can do it. I have won, maybe you can win. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. I guess you will see me on the next video. See ya.